Hey guys, thank you for joining me and welcome back. I hope you all are doing well. So today in this video, I'm going to be creating our first Christmas decor or decoration for 2025. I'm going to start out by showing you a thumbnail that I seen on, I believe it was Pinterest. Absolutely fell in love with the thumbnail, and the thumbnail is what encouraged me to create this decor today. So this is the thumbnail that I saw on Pinterest. And it came from, I did a little footwork, and it came from a YouTube channel. Her name is Claudia Zam, and I believe this was a tabletop decoration. So today I was inspired by this, but what really inspired me was her thumbnail, and this is the thumbnail. And so I decided to use this to create a wall decor. Now her thumbnail is just the one single mirror that was her finished project, and she just layered it on top of each other to create this fantastic looking thumbnail. So yeah, I'm going to recreate the thumbnail. Mine's going to be a little bit different. I'm not using any mirrors today, and I'm going to be using minimal Christmas decoration. Yeah, so I can't wait to get started. Okay, so I'm going to start off with 3 12 by 12 inch cardboard squares. These cardboard squares are white on both sides. They're really nice, guys. If you want to upgrade your project and not use maybe like shipping cardboard, you can always use these. I found these on Amazon. I'm going to be using 2 paper plates to create the project. I'm going to trace the shape of the larger paper plate onto one of the cardboard squares, and then I'm going to do the same with the smaller. For our third cardboard square, I'm going to cut the paper plate down in size by, I believe, an inch. I think this is probably an inch. I'm just going to cut this off, and then I'm going to trace the remaining shape onto the cardboard square. Okay, so I'm going to use this silver metallic contact paper. This paper is supposed to represent what silk looks like. It just has a beautiful silver luster, and it has some striations in it, as you can see, to sort of mimic silk particles. But anyway, this is faux silk. I'm going to place the larger cardboard circle onto the contact paper, and I'm going to trace it out. And I'm going to do the same for all 3. After that, I'm going to peel and stick the contact paper onto the cardboard. I'm going to flatten it out with my hand, and then I'm going to use a small scraping tool that has a flocked edge. I'm going to use that to help the stickiness of the contact paper adhere to the cardboard. So for the sake of time, I'm going to show you me decorating just one of the circles. I'm going to choose the larger one because it'll show more detail, and I'm going to do the other 2 off screen because they're going to look exactly the same. So I'm going to be using some greenery that I had from last year Christmas decorations. Some of this stuff is from the Dollar Tree as well as from my discount store. So to begin, I'm going to start hot gluing some of these branches onto the top of our circle here. Next, I'm going to glue down these red berries into place. The red berries, I picked those up from my craft store. And again, this is some Christmas decoration from last year that I'm using. Next, I'm going to take some red glittered ribbon that I picked up from the Dollar Tree a couple of years ago, and I'm just going to create a beautiful bow. Now, if you follow me, guys, you know I do not know how to make a bow. So what I do is I like to craft one. So if you just watch me, you'll see how I create a bow. So next I'm going to take these gold glittered styrofoam balls. Now these came in a package that I picked up from the Dollar Tree, and I'm just going to hot glue some of that into place. I'm going to take these white pearl beads. I got this from my craft store. These are really pretty, guys, because it has a beautiful iridescent luster that you really can't see in this lighting, but it looks so beautiful. And I'm going to use this today just to give the outer perimeter a nice finished look, and so that the edges won't look so raw. Okay, so this part is finished, guys, and I realized I made a mistake here, but before I tell you what it is, I just wanted to show you I did finish the other two circle sections off camera, and this is what they look like. So I guess I was feeling a little ambitious, and I shouldn't have hot glued the beads completely around the circle, because I am going to layer these pieces on top, and the beads underneath will just be in the way. I'm going to cut away some of the beads and just remove them all together. And guys, look how nice this looks. This is so simple. It was quick, it was easy. This really does look very close to the inspiration project. I like this a lot. So I didn't want to use mirrors for our project because, you know, right about now mirrors cost a lot. I have mirrors, but if you guys want to follow this project and create this project, I wanted to find a really nice substitution for mirrors. And I think that the silver contact paper worked out really well. This is the command strip. I already have a command strip up on my wall where I'm going to place this. So all I need to do is just peel and stick this one into place. And after that, I'm going to add it to the command strip that's on the wall. I keep a command strip always on the wall when I'm going to change out projects. So guys, this came out so nice. I love the way this looks. This is our first Christmas project for 2025, and this came out absolutely beautiful. So guys, you let me know what you think in the comment section below, and I want to thank you so much for joining me today. I do appreciate it. Please don't forget to thumbs up the video. Please don't forget to subscribe. And you all stay well, stay safe, and stay blessed. And I will see you at the next video. Bye-bye.